Hi everybody, Jerry from Hobby Wholesale here. Thanks for joining us again. Today we're going to venture over into the toy side of the store. We're going to get away from more of the project pieces and the RC related stuff, and we're going to talk to you about Brooders. Bruder is a German line of toys. They have a wide variety of highly detailed toys for kids to play with. They include everything from action figures, as you can see here. There's first responder and emergency type vehicles as well. As you can see from the entire selection here, we've got fire trucks, ambulances. There's a wide range of construction equipment as well. And they also include some everyday things. So things like snowmobiles, jet skis, there's even some things like motorcycles as well. And some of their items, some of their farm equipment actually include things like horses as accessories as well. You can also buy additional accessories for these depending on what it is that you're trying to build as far as your collection goes. But a really good option if you've got kids that are interested in construction or farm type equipment, or just having a fun selection of things to play with. So today the one we're going to take a look at, just to give you a closer look, is this Firetruck here, which is one of the pieces that they offer. And they offer a wide range of equipment as well. For example, in the Firetrucks, they have a large selection and variation. So they will have them with more European style builds as well as North American. And all of the toys feature moving parts in addition to the wheels turning. Many of them will have doors that open. In the case of this one here, it's tethered down here, but there is actually a little boom with a retractable hook and rope on it. This one comes with a set of flashers and a siren as well, so you can mount those on top, and when you push the various buttons it will flash in various patterns and sound different types of alarms. A lot of them feature opening doors and things like that as well, so you can put pieces inside, put your figures in. And this one here even has a cab that flips forward, so you can see some of the detail there. In addition to the line, they've also got features like with the fire trucks. Some of them will shoot water. Some of them have motorized bits and pieces as well. So there's lots of variety and lots of options for you. As far as the action figures go, they're relatively simple. Not the most number of articulations or points of articulation, but again, for the individuals that like to use their imagination and like to set up different scenarios, perfectly great option for the kids to kind of spark the imagination and create some fun play environments. If you have any questions about the line of Bruder and the various vehicles that are available, certainly check out our website or come in and visit us. As you can see right now, we've just restocked, so we've got a lot available for the coming season. If you like what you see, certainly subscribe or like our videos, or drop us a line. Let us know what kind of things you'd like to see, and we'll continue to keep bringing you content. Thanks very much.